Now we will look at the progress bar template featuring a gradient background. That is a background that goes incrementally from one color to another. As you can see in this preview window, this has different color options. You can go to the last drop-down selector for gradient background and look at some of the different options. Now, depending on whether you're doing a light or dark gradient background, you can adjust the font colors to make something that matches. So in this case, I probably want to use a white text color to help that be a little bit more readable. Notice that you can have a different text color for the text that shows up inside of the progress bar versus the outside. So there are lots of configuration options. As with the other templates, you should begin by taking a look at some of the examples, and you can adjust to pick the one that you like the most. There are images which need to be uploaded. So the first thing you should do before using this template is look in the notes. There's a link here that says that you need to go to Custom Icons Help to upload these icon images in order to get this template to work. When you go to this page, you can click the download link, and that will download a zipped file onto your desktop, which you can then upload to your local SharePoint site, which should go in your Site Assets directory. You can find this directory by going to your site contents, then click on Site Assets, and then you will drag the unzipped image folder called Icons, which you've previously downloaded, to this directory. This is required because this template is going to reference the images in the directory. So be sure to do that step first. And this help page will describe a little bit about what you're doing in case you're unsure. Once you have that loaded, you're ready to move this over. Note that this is expecting a number column with values from 0 to 100. If the values you have in your list are like a percentage value that's, say, less than 1, maybe it's 0.92 or something like that, you should use a calculated field to multiply that so that it falls into this expected range. Once you're ready to go, click on Copy Template and follow the directions in the pop-up window. So coming over to SharePoint, I'm going to apply this in this first column. I've got lots of other progress indicators on this page, but for now we're just focused on this one. So as you can tell, I have a number column called Measure 1, and this has values from 0 to 100. That's what this template requires. I'm going to go to Column Settings and then Format this column, then Advanced Mode. I will get rid of the code that was there previously, and now I will paste in the template and save. And as you can see, I have my progress bar with the gradient background. Because I used the inline edit option, that means that I'm allowing users to change the value from the list view. That's optional. If you want, you can simply uncheck that option on the template to turn that off. That makes it so that if I want to, I could just key in a new value, and as you can see, it will automatically update. There are 9 or 10 different options for the gradients. 9. 9 different options, so be sure to browse through and you can see exactly what they're going to look like in the preview. And as I mentioned, you can change the colors for the font and border and things like that to make tweaks to the appearance. So this is a nice eye-catching way to add a progress bar that has an incremental color gradient to make your dashboards look nice. Good luck!